Hello everybody, this is how many weeks you've lived in Python that I created. So I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to do it. So then we first do print, so we'll see how many weeks we did. So it'll be how many weeks I lived. It'll tell us that. I'll just put the age 10. But what's your age? We have that. The age has been entered is 10 years old. And then now the age the int equals the integer, and then we put bracket input bracket not close bracket, and then we put quotation mark age colon, which is so quotation mark, and then it is colon I mean not colon I mean the bracket, and then we put the print command again to say print f, because we have a variable in it. The age is a variable. So see this, the age you have entered part is 10 years. I wrote that, and then we have to do our age times 52 because there's 52 weeks in a year. Now you do hashtag print age. The hashtag is so it won't show because it'll show 52 the age many times. So I'll run the command in a little bit, so just watch it here. So then I just told you the part 10 years you've been alive for years. I just told you the hashtag age. Now print if f, because you've put the variable in it, you have been alive for the how much your age is weeks, the age is the thing. So then 10 years and like that. A quick recap, I'll just put this in the screen. And print means text, and then age is a variable that we create to, and then the age we just put that as a variable, and then we put the hashtag age again, print, and then we put the age and then the hashtag. So that is the code. Thank you. Bye. Hope you learned a thing or two.